Are you going to finish your goals before the end of the year? Hi, my name is Darren Wright, your real estate investor. So I was pondering this question this morning. It's just after Labor Day. It's the first day back to work for everybody. And kids are all going back to school this week. And you can see the nights are getting darker and it's not as bright in the morning. It's taking longer for the sun to rise. And you can also see a little bit of color changing in the trees. The thing we don't want, fall is coming, summer is coming to an end. But I was reminded on something I saw online that we've only got 17 weeks left in this year for the rest of the year. And then it got me thinking about my goals. Will I reach the goals that I set out for myself this year and get them done by the end of the year? And the main of the goals is properties. Am I going to get enough properties by the end of the year? And probably not, but we're still pushing to get there. The 17 weeks, what can I do? How can I break it down to increase getting more properties? You know, we're growing our business. There's all sorts of different areas that we're growing our business, taking on staff and things like that. But we do need more properties. So we are working on, we have an accepted offer on a purchase of 2 properties. So that'll be another 59 units. And we're hoping that a deal is going to come together for 74 units as well, or doors, some single family. And we're still working on maybe again a 7 unit that needs a full renovation. So we still got things in place, but we still need more. So I need to just dig down, double down, and see what else we can do. So I want to ponder that question to you. What are you going to do to complete your goals? How far are you? Have you exceeded your goals? Very unlikely that you've exceeded them, because if we set out to do something, we never go past that. It's usually a limit. So we want to make sure that we're hitting that limit. And don't worry if you're not going to get anywhere near that goal. Don't give up, because that's the opposite side of what you're trying to do. You got to keep pushing in order to get there. So if you like this video, please like it. YouTube likes that sort of stuff, to comment and share to other people. So double down and get your goals met.